Today is October 16th, the day before the deer opener, and I have the ponies put in the horse trailer. We're heading on over to Eric's place to pick up him and Titan and Chief, and we're going to be heading off to deer camp. Hopefully tomorrow morning we can seal the deal on a couple big bucks we've been watching, and bring you guys along in the journey on that. So here we are, Eric right back there, myself. We're still riding up in the dark, trying to get up into our spot. We still probably got a good another 40 minutes before we get there, so it's gonna be pretty dark. But I'm just trying to get to the spot all right. I love horses. All right, it's opening morning. Here's Eric and I. We're just packing up our stuff, trying to get everything ready, get our guns on. You can hear how windy it is. We already dealt with the horses, got them fed, brushed out, got some orange on them so they don't get shot on accident. And now we're just packing up so we can get to the spot and hopefully spot these big bucks that we spotted a few days ago. So we'll see how it goes. I mean, it's blown to the right, so put it right on his shoulder. Put it on his front shoulder. Put it midway. He's facing to the left. Yep, head down, facing to the left. There's one right below left to him that's facing right, looking at us. Okay, whenever you're ready. You hit right on his nose. No, he's coming straight down towards us. He's running right to us. You're gonna have to dial down to 0. Yep, 0. He's running down right where the other bucks went up. Oh, he's into the trees now.
Okay, he's moving up into the burn.
They're going up into the burn now?
Yeah, he's chasing another little buck.
He's chasing him?
Yeah, he's chasing him. Yeah, him right here and this one up here.
So they're not in the ravine no more?
He's about to go in the ravine right now. He's going to go through it, though. Yep, he's chasing him. He's running. He's chasing him right up the ravine.
Up the ravine?
Yeah, up the ravine. Almost to the top, probably.
Already?
Oh, dude, he's moving. Man, he is moving.
Oh, I see him now. He's now in the meadow, in the ravine, isn't he?
Yep.
He's going up.
Yep.
Still recording?
Yep. Right over him.
Right over him?
He barreled downhill. I don't know where he went.
Barely over him?
Yeah. He went straight down.
He went straight down?
Yep.
Is he still running?
I lost him on the spotting scope.
So you see the green pine right there in front of you?
Yeah.
Go directly straight up. He's the top buck. Not the closest, the furthest one. What power is your scope right now? 12. Turn it all the way down until you find him. Let's see here.
Straight up from the pine still.
Yep, 280. So I'd click down 1. Yep, he's the one standing straight up, quartering towards us. He's starting to walk again, head down. You're gonna put it right on his shoulder. I do a dry fire first. Feel the trigger. You're gonna put it on his shoulder and then squeeze, okay? Does that feel good?
Yeah.
Okay. Plug in my ears. Okay, he's about to move. Hold on a sec. Okay, he's holding still. look like you hit him, or you went a little hot. Oh no, you hit him. He's falling down right there. He's down. There he is. There he is. Bam, sis. Good job, Eric.
And those blinky 2x3, it's the guy I passed on like 5 times. Limited amount of time to hunt. I just wanted to meet, dude.
Heck yeah. Dude, that is awesome. Lift his head up a little bit. See if I can. There we go. Look at that.
Little fella.
Meet what
We'll
cow?
call him a management buck. How about that?
Absolutely. Good shot, though.
Right in the lungs.
Well, you gotta realize you probably hit closer to his shoulder, and that's his exit hole.
Oh, yeah, he's facing that way.
Cordon out in the back straps right now to the deer.